Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're well and doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bhatura recipe. You will need the following ingredients. Here I have 750 grams of plain flour, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 120 grams of semolina, fine semolina. Give it a quick mix. Then add 1.5 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Just give that a rough mix. I have lukewarm water. Add gradually or as needed. Add a teaspoon of oil and knead well. Knead well for about 5 minutes. Right, after kneading for about 5 minutes, just add a little bit of oil. The oil helps the top to stay soft and it doesn't crust up. And cover with some cling film or a damp cloth. And leave this to rest for a couple of hours. Or if you can't, then you can just let it rest for about half an hour. Okay, the dough has been resting for about 3 hours. So remove the The dough should be still slightly firm. Okay, I'm just going to divide them into small balls. Around about that size. I've divided them into small balls and I'm just going to cover them with a bit of oil so it doesn't dry out. And let this rest for 10 minutes. The doughs have been resting for about 10 minutes. I have oil and I also have dry flour, so it's up to you, it's optional what you want to use. Right, my oil is already hot. And it only takes a couple of seconds. The bhaturas are now ready. You can serve it with chickpeas and halwa. Thank you for watching my channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the latest notification. Thank you for watching.